In this video, I will guide you on how to fix OpenAI image generation failed problem. If you're getting the error of image generation failed or if the image is not loading, then here are some things that you can do. First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to a stable internet. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and check. If possible, you can also try to switch to a different network and try generating the image again. Next, you want to refresh the page or completely close the ChatGPT app. Once you have closed it, you again want to launch it open and check if the image generation is now working. If it is not, then the next thing you can do is clear the app's cache. Long press on ChatGPT app, tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and tap on storage, select that. Here tap on clear cache. If you're using ChatGPT on a web browser, then you can clear the web browser's cache as well. Next, you want to check if this issue is with the ChatGPT server. For that, open up any web browser and here search OpenAI server. Now head over to status.openai.com. Here you want to check if there is any issue. As you can see right now, there is an issue with image generation. Since this is a server issue, there is nothing you can do. You simply want to wait until they fix this problem. So after some time, you want to try and check if this issue has been resolved. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.